Oh, what weapon?
I'm using the dig.
Oh, okay. Well, let me grab one, you fucker. Piece of shit. Get fucking deleted.
Fuck you, dude. Fuck you.
Get absolutely deleted.
When did you go back behind that box? I didn't see you go over there.
Just let me know when you get a deagle.
Yeah. Wow, you're cheating.
Get deleted.
John, are you letting this same into your home? Yeah.
What happened? You talking shit, bro? I just fucking one dig that good, bro. I just one dig the top man. Do you have something else to say?
Here, watch out for a second, watch out. Never mind, these trophies,
Good job, Corelli.
Don't run away, where do you think
Let's
you're
go
going?
A.
He's right there.
You gotta be a chat about it.
Monster.
Oh no. I'm so far
my God.
away. I'm gonna knife this kid though. Yeah! Yeah!
What the fuck?
Yeah, but I missed this guy?
Just one dig him?
I did.
Wow.
One's an apps.
I'm so sorry.
Nice.
Stop one digging people.
It's an accident, I swear. Oh!
Plus got mid probably.
I gotta stop looking at my scoreboard.
Yeah, mid.
He died. Oh!
God.
I didn't even mean to hit that guy. Bathroom, I think. Don't do it.
They get a banana.
Go.
Artistic.
Green, bomb, green. Come back. Green, come back.
That's my dad.
Hey, a little ace for the boys.
They're cheating!
They're actually cheating. Yeah, we got him on the flank, bro. Yo, good one. Sorry, I was shooting my own teammate. That was crazy.
Wow, you sir chicky.
I was shooting the teammate. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you like
Out
boys?
main. Main one.
Duh.
3 out main. Mid one.
They're honestly too powerful, dude. The dualies are strong.
Whoa, that's
One's coming out
not
mid.
Where did you see him middle?
Oh, stairs.
The dualies are honestly too strong. The dualies are honestly too strong.
Palace.
I think I was shooting a dead body for the longest time, dude. Get fucked. Get fucked.
What? You fucking hacker!
There's one on the conference room hostage guy.
He's gonna push me, he's in there.
Get fucked.
Dude, they all come.
Sometimes you gotta make the bigger brain. Fuck off! One's probably going through banana though. It's tragic. Dude, hey, how is your ear? Dude, that's such a big brain move.
Oh, he's the fucking god! 3 health!
Yo, y'all see that shit?
Ooh, shit.
Yeah, that guy just doesn't work.
Nah, Chicky, you have an R8, you go sniper back in cover.
That dude got deleted. That dude got deleted.
He needs to see a dentist after that.
Oh, one's still sitting spawn with his op.
Yeah, flash him out. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
You are flashed.
Oh, he's hit. Ops hit.
Yo, crouch.
I'm
Let me
never
on top of your
crouched.
head so we can tiki. Let me on top of your head so we can tiki. Now just stand up. There we go.
Oh shit! There's another one in mid.
Oh,
Bro, these kids suck.
He's lit
there's
62.
one more, you got it.
62, brother. We got a real gunslinger over here.
Go easy.
Oh, never mind.
New and improved skinned helmet. Stop that.